Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover how to install Hadoop in Windows 10. Let's begin. First you need to download the Hadoop file from the link given in the description below. Then check whether Java is installed or not by typing javac version command in command prompt. Then extract the Hadoop zip folder. Then copy the Hadoop folder from extract into C drive. Then open bin directory within Hadoop folder and copy the path. Then open edit the system environment variables. Click on environment variables. Create a new user variable called Hadoop home and enter bin directory path. Click on system variable called path and enter Hadoop bin directory path. Then open Hadoop folder within etc directory, open core site XML file and enter the configuration given in description below. Then rename mapped site XML template to mapped site XML, and enter the configuration given in description below. Then create a new folder called data, and new folder called data node and name node within data folder. Then open Hadoop folder within etc directory, open HDFS site XML file and enter the configuration given in description below. Then open yarn site XML file and enter the configuration given in description below. Then open the JDK folder under Program Files, Java folder and copy the location. Then change directory to JDK path, and create short name, using the command given in description below. Then copy the short name, open Hadoop folder within etc directory, edit Hadoop env.cmd file, and change the Java home to short name created. Then open bin directory within Hadoop folder and copy the path. Then open command prompt, change directory to bin directory and run the command hdfs name node -format. Then open sbin directory within Hadoop folder and copy the path. Then open command prompt, change directory to sbin directory and run the command startall.cmd. It will start data node, name node, resource manager, and node manager. Open browser and type localhost :8088. If Hadoop page opens, then Hadoop installation is complete.